Hey everyone! In this video, we're showing you the top 5 best Singer sewing machines and exactly what makes each one great. We'll cover which machine is best for beginners in 2025, which can handle heavy fabrics, and which has the most features for quilting and crafts. Stick around to see our #1 best Singer sewing machine. It could be the perfect fit for your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which machine you're most excited to try. Let's dive in, starting with the entry-level pick that proves even a lightweight machine can handle serious creativity. At number 5, the Singer M1500 lightweight and portable sewing machine is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or anyone with limited space. At just 9.7 pounds and compact dimensions of 14.57 by 11.34 by 7.12 inches, it easily fits on a small craft table, dorm room desk, or portable cart for sewing on the go. Don't let its size fool you. It offers 57 stitch applications, including essential techniques like straight stitch, zigzag, blind hem stitch, multi-step zigzag, decorative scallop, and a 4-step buttonhole, covering everything from simple mending to small quilting projects. What makes it genuinely beginner-friendly is the stitch selector dial, which clearly displays all stitch options and preset stitch lengths and widths, so there's no guesswork when you're just learning. Threading the machine is straightforward, with clear guides for both the bobbin and upper thread. I found this especially useful when switching between a cotton top, denim patch, or small quilt block. While it isn't suited for heavy fabrics like multiple layers of denim or thick canvas, its portability, ease of use, and versatile stitch selection make it one of the best Singer sewing machines for anyone starting their sewing journey, crafting small projects, or taking their machine to workshops or classes. Number 4, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is where things get serious. Unlike the M1500, this machine features a full metal frame and high-torque motor designed to handle tough fabrics like denim, canvas, and light leather without breaking a sweat. I tested it on layered denim jackets, tote bags made from heavy canvas, and even upholstery swatches. And it handled every project without skipped stitches. With 69 stitch applications, including utility, decorative, and stretch stitches, plus a 4-step buttonhole, it's versatile enough for home decor, fashion sewing, and repairs. Its high-speed sewing at 1,100 stitches per minute makes large projects like quilts or multiple pillow covers far more efficient, while the transparent top drop-in bobbin helps monitor thread supply mid-project. No more surprises when you run out of thread while working on a decorative pillow or layered tote. The free Creative app adds extra value, providing tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and accessory suggestions, making it easier to experiment with satin stitches, overcasting, or decorative patterns. The only trade-off is its nearly 15-pound weight, which reduces portability, but in exchange, it provides stability for consistent stitches on heavy fabrics. For anyone who needs a reliable, powerful, and versatile machine, the 4411 earns its spot as one of the best Singer sewing machines for anyone who wants both reliability and versatility. Number 3, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 builds on the 4411's strengths, adding extra stitch variety and motor power. With 97 stitch applications, including decorative, stretch, and utility stitches, plus a 1-step buttonhole, it's ideal for more ambitious projects like quilted throws, multi-layered denim jackets, canvas tote bags, and even layered upholstery. Its 60% stronger motor effortlessly handles thick seams, keeping stitches even and tension consistent, essential for professional-looking results on larger or more complex projects. The full metal interior frame provides stability, which is crucial when working with dense fabrics or multiple layers. The included accessory kit, all-purpose foot, zipper foot, quilting guide, twin needles, bobbins, and seam ripper ensures you can start most projects immediately. Compared to the 4411, the 4423 gives you more flexibility, power, and control, making it ideal for intermediate sewists who need a machine that can transition from light fabrics to heavy-duty sewing without missing a beat. In my experience, whether it's sewing denim jeans, a quilted placemat, or a layered cotton bag, the 4423 performs like a true workhorse, solidifying its place among the best Singer sewing machines. Number 2, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 combines heavy-duty performance with usability in a way that appeals to both experienced and home sewists. With 32 built-in stitches, including decorative and stretch options, and a fully automatic one-step buttonhole, it's effective for real-world projects like denim repairs, canvas tote bags, quilting throws, or home decor items like pillow covers. Its 60% stronger motor powers through thick seams and multi-layer fabrics without affecting stitch quality, while its high-speed capability of 1,100 stitches per minute keeps even large projects moving efficiently. The 4452 also comes with 9 presser feet, twin needle, and a custom-fit hard case, which means you can start almost any project immediately. It strikes a balance between power and portability, allowing you to move between sewing tables or take it to classes while still tackling heavier fabrics. Whether you're designing fashion pieces, crafting gifts, or making layered quilts, this machine combines speed, precision, and durability, cementing its status as one of the best Singer sewing machines for anyone who wants both reliability and versatility. Finally, number 1, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is the ultimate choice for advanced sewists, quilters, and anyone serious about creative projects. At 14.6 pounds with metal and plastic construction, it's surprisingly manageable for a machine with 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications. Mirror imaging, stitch elongation, decorative stitching, and built-in lettering allow for professional-level creativity. Whether you're monogramming pillowcases, quilting throws, sewing layered denim jackets, or creating intricate home decor pieces, the 9960 comes with 13 presser feet, quilting bar, large extension table, hard case, and full accessory kit, making it ready for highly detailed or large-scale projects. Features like the automatic needle threader, top drop-in bobbin system, adjustable sewing speed, and start-stop button make it easy to tackle complex or large projects, while the built-in lettering ensures flawless personalization. I tested it on layered quilts, denim jackets, and custom home decor items, and the results were consistently precise, clean, and professional-looking. Beginners may need some time to master its extensive functions, but for advanced creativity and professional quality sewing, the 9960 stands out as the definitive pick among the best Singer sewing machines. Final words. From the lightweight and beginner-friendly M1500 to the heavy-duty 4411, 4423, and 4452, and finally the Quantum Stylist 9960, this lineup covers the full spectrum of sewing needs. They address practical challenges, mending denim, quilting layered throws, crafting tote bags, or personalizing home decor, while giving you confidence that your machine can handle your skill level, project complexity, and creative ambitions. Collectively, these 5 machines represent the pinnacle of what the best Singer sewing machines have to offer for sewists of every level.